Imagine creating an animation video like this.
Nimbus, we're so close. This invention will revolutionize energy. Imagine limitless power drawn from the harmony of nature itself.
Legacy software takes a huge amount of time and requires expertise to create a minute of video. However, with the help of AI, you can now create this kind of amazing animation in just a few minutes. Today, I will share the step-by-step method of creating this kind of high-quality animated video. Let's dive in. First of all, we need a story. If you already have a story, then move ahead. Otherwise, you can take the help of ChatGPT. After coming to ChatGPT, simply ask for the story. Don't forget to mention the context and characters. You can see ChatGPT provides me with a very good story. It also provides us with visual suggestions for every scene. Now I will generate high-quality video generation prompts for every scene. To do that, I am entering another ready prompt in this prompt box. And here it is. You can see that ChatGPT is generating the video generation prompt. Once the prompts are ready, copy the prompt and then paste it into a doc file. Alright, now we are ready to generate the video. To generate the video, I will use an extremely powerful AI video generator called PixVerse AI. We already know about its capability, but now it has become more powerful with its latest update, PixVerse 3.5. PixVerse 3.5 is a groundbreaking update in AI-powered video creation, designed to revolutionize the way creators bring their ideas to life. With its turbo generation mode, videos can now be generated in as little as 10 seconds, significantly enhancing productivity. It also supports 1080p high-definition output, ensuring stunning visual quality for every project. One of the standout features is its advanced anime generation capability, allowing users to create videos in specific anime styles simply by providing detailed prompts or reference images. Additionally, the new keyframe generation feature enables seamless transitions between two images, offering unparalleled creative control. PixVerse 3.5 is truly a game-changer for content creators looking to elevate their work effortlessly. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and you will be on this page. At the top of the page, you will find video templates. Here, you can create trendy videos like hugging videos, muscle surge, kissing videos, and many more. Below that, you will find videos generated using PixVerse AI. You can take inspiration from here. At the bottom of the page, you will find the prompt box to create your own video. Before starting to create our video, we need to create an account first. So, click on the login button here and then create your account. Once you are logged in, come to the prompt box and enter the prompt. Here beside the prompt, you will find an option to upload a reference image or video. You can turn your image into a video with this feature. Simply copy the first prompt from the doc file and then paste it into the PixVerse prompt box. Next, we have the model. You can select a video generation model between V2.5, V3, and V3.5. I will go with the latest V3.5. After that, we have the effect option. Here you will find a vast number of effects. This feature is basically for generating viral and trendy videos in a single click. I won't use this feature at this moment. After effects, you will find the style option. This is to select the video style. You will find various video styles here. As I want to generate a 3D animation video, I am selecting 3D animation. Next, we have the video resolution. As I said earlier, now you can generate up to 1080 pixel videos using PixVerse. You will find all the video resolutions here. Higher resolutions will take more time to generate the video. If you want a quick generation, select the turbo option. However, I will go with 720p for a balanced output. Next, we have transition mode. This option is basically a keyframing feature. Here you can add the first frame and last frame to create a consistent video. Next, we have the character feature. This is very crucial for us. For the first video, we don't need it. I will discuss it later. After that, we have to set the video duration. You can generate 5-second and 8-second long videos. As I create prompts for a 5-second video, I will go with 5 seconds. After that, we have to select the aspect ratio. I will go with 16:9. Next, we have the motion mode. Performance mode generates higher quality videos. In the end, we have negative prompt, seed, and watermark remover options. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button, and you can see PixVerse starts generating the video. The video generation process is very fast. And our video is ready. Look at the video quality. The movement is subtle, and the visuals are just amazing. Now you can create this kind of video with a simple text prompt. Here under the video, you will find some features. If you don't like the video, you can regenerate it using the retry tool. After that, with the extend tool, you can extend the video duration with a consistent result. Next is lip sync. You can create lip sync with PixVerse. We will use this feature later. Next, you can upscale the video up to 4K with this tool. At the end, you will find the option to download the video. Alright, now let's create the second video. Simply copy the second prompt, paste it into PixVerse, set all other settings, and hit the Generate button. And this is the second video we generated. This is just amazing. Now we have to create the third video clip. Like before, paste the third prompt and generate the video. This is our third prompt. The video is quite impressive, and you can notice that we have a character in this video. Now if we generate all the videos with just prompts, the character may not be consistent. To solve this issue, we will use the character feature. Here you see 2 characters are available that I created earlier. To create a new character, click on the plus icon here. Now we have to upload the face of our character. You can create an image using any AI image generator and upload it here. I am uploading this one. After uploading the image, set a name here and all other information. Once done, hit the Create Character button here. And our character is ready. Now select the character we just created and then set all other settings. Once done, hit the Create button. And this is the video created with the character. This is just awesome. Now let's create the next video with the character to see the result. Simply add the next prompt and then set the other settings. And this is the resulting video. You can see that PixVerse generates an outstanding video and keeps the same character. So, we don't need to worry about character consistency. Alright, now in the same method, generate all the video clips. Once the video clips are ready, download them to your device and then organize them in ascending order. Alright, all of our video clips are ready. Now we will create lip sync where it is needed. So come back to ChatGPT and then open the script file. Copy the first dialogue and notice the scene. After that, come back to PixVerse and find the scene where you want to create lip sync. Once you find the video clip, click on the lip sync button. Here you will find 2 options to create lip sync. Generate the audio with text or upload the audio file. I will generate audio with the text script. So, I am pasting the script text into this box. After entering the text, select a voice actor from here.
Hi, I'm the one.
Listen to some of them and then select the best one. Once done, hit the Create button. Now wait some time. And here it is, the video is ready.
This invention will revolutionize energy. Imagine limitless power drawn from the harmony of nature itself.
This is just amazing. Now, in this method, create lip sync for all the video clips where needed. Once done, download the video clips to your device. Alright, all of our assets are ready. Now, it is time to go through the final step, the video assembling. You can use any video editor. I will use the CapCut video editor. Alright, first of all, import all the video clips into the media bin. Now insert them into the timeline in ascending order. Take proper time to set the video order properly. Once the video arrangement is completed, import all the lip sync video clips and place them in the proper place. Sometimes you may need to adjust the video duration. Do it properly. Once the narration part is set, insert the BGM and sound effects. Take proper time to set the sound design. It's very important. After completing the sound design, you can add some effects to make the video more engaging. Next, you can add transitions between the scenes if needed. Once everything is set, hit the export button. It will take some time to render the video. Alright, our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Nimbus, we're so close. This invention will revolutionize energy. Imagine limitless power drawn from the harmony of nature itself.
No. This isn't right. Where are we?
You have disrupted the balance, young one.
I didn't mean to. I just wanted to help the world.
Intentions alone do not shield one from consequences. To restore balance, you must journey to the heart of the forest and reignite the harmony crystal.
I'll do whatever it takes. We've got a lot to learn, Nimbus. But this is just the beginning.
It's just amazing. By making some extra effort, you can create even more captivating videos. So, now you can create amazing AI animation videos like this using PixVerse AI. PixVerse AI has many more advanced features. If you want to boost your content creation journey, you should try PixVerse AI. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience creating AI animation videos with PixVerse AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.